How to delete chat messages on WhatsApp.
Well, there may be many reasons why you want to delete the chat history of a particular person you have chatted with. Maybe you have somebody you're chatting with, secretly, and then you don't want a third party to read the message. Well, you can equally delete the chat messages, or perhaps maybe you are tired with all the loads of messages on that person's, uh chat line. You can equally delete that. So in order to do that, it is very simple. So just click on the chat account of the person that you really want to delete. So I want to make this for an example. So I click on this, and then there's one of my friend. You have another account. So I want to delete the chat history because he's no longer using this account again. So I click on the three dotted line, and then you click on more. So once you click on more, you will see clear chat. So once you click on clear chat, you will see it will say, are you sure you want to clear messages in this chat? Delete media and data. You click on clear, and boom, it will say please wait a moment, and all the chat history has been deleted. So I believe you learned something today. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you want to know more how to do some basic stuff on your phone and your system, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and share with friends and family. See you in the next video.